If you're looking for a delicious side dish to take to a party or serve at your party, or if you're just a lover of beans, you are not going to want to miss this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today I'm going to be making a 5-bean salad. A couple months ago, my husband's aunt and her husband stopped by, and they had their camper because they were going on a very long trip, and they had made some food to bring along with them, and she had made this 5-bean salad. It was her mother's recipe, which would be my husband's grandmother's recipe. It was absolutely delicious. I have never had a 5-bean salad, but I'm telling you, I couldn't wait to get the recipe, and I've probably made it about 4 or 5 times since she was here, and it wasn't that long ago. So I thought, I'm making it again today, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and do a quick little video on it and show you how it's made. It is one of the easiest, simplest recipes. Honestly, friends, you can do it, knock it out in no time. You will need to do it 24 hours in advance because it needs time to marinate, but oh my goodness, friends, so delicious. So I'm talking too much. Let's turn the camera around. I'll go over all the ingredients and we'll get started. I have a small red onion diced up, some black pepper. I have some cut green beans, pinto beans, great northern beans, kidney beans, and black beans, some salt. I have 1 green bell pepper. I have 3/4 cups of sugar, 2/3 cups of apple cider vinegar, and 1/4 cup of olive oil, or you can use canola oil. And friends, that is all the ingredients you need. Now let's go ahead and put this together. Friends, told you, not a lot of ingredients, was it? So I'm going to go ahead, open up all my cans of beans and get them drained really well and rinsed off and then dump them in the bowl. I don't think you need to watch me open up 5 cans of beans. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and then dump them in my bowl, and then we'll go ahead and mix up the marinade that goes over top. All right, my friends, so first I'm going to do the pinto beans. I thought I'd go ahead and just quickly show you. It has that juice on there. Can you see inside? I don't know if you guys have ever seen that before. And then we're just going to rinse it in some cold water. Just like that. No biggie. And we're going to go ahead and do that to all of our beans. Alright, my friends, so I have my beans in here. I have all 5 of them in here. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my chopped green pepper. Then we're going to add in the red onion. We're just going to go ahead and give that a stir and get the beans and the onion and green pepper mixed really well. It's actually a beautiful looking salad too, isn't it? Look at the colors in this thing. It's gorgeous. Alrighty, now we're gonna put this aside, and we're gonna go ahead and put together our marinade. So I have 2/3 cup of apple cider vinegar. I have a 1/4 cup of canola oil. And then we're going to go ahead and put in a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of salt. Okay. A little bit more oil in there. Let's get that all out. Alrighty, and then we're going to add our 3/4 cup of sugar. And I'm about to sneeze! That pepper, friends! Excuse me, I'm so sorry. Pepper always makes me sneeze. Alright, and then we're just going to go ahead and give that a really good stir. And friends, it's that simple. Once we get this mixed well, we're going to put it over our beans and mix it up. All right. Switch hands. We're gonna go ahead and pour this over. I'm gonna try to get that sugar dissolved as much as possible. Okay, just like that. And friends, that is it. We're going to mix it up. We'll put our lid on it, and then every time you go in the fridge just to get a drink or something, just give it a good shake or stir so you can get that marinade through all of it. Just like that, my friends. Just like that. And then, like I said, you want to leave it in the fridge overnight. And then the next day, I promise you, 24 hours, it will be absolutely delicious. Alrighty, friends, let's go ahead and put the lid on it. Give that a good shake. Just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and put it in the fridge. We're going to leave that in there overnight, and we'll come back tomorrow and do a quick taste test. All right, my friends, it is the next day. We're going to go ahead and put some in a bowl and do our quick taste test. All righty. Those colors, friends, look at those colors. Smells so delicious. Oh. All right. Look at that. Alrighty, let's go ahead and do our taste test. Alright, my friends, here we go. I'm telling you, friends, the best ever. I love this so much. It is absolutely delicious. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.